Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review between these two presentation tools, which is Tome and Prezi. The two are modern presentation tools with very different style, and the best choice depends on how you like to present. So here's a breakdown. Tome uses AI to help you build presentation very quick. You give it a topic or outline and the AI generates slide with text, visual and layout ideas in a minute. It's great for people who want fast AI generated slide that look clean and professional without spending too much time designing it. Now talking about Prezi. Prezi is all about dynamic zoomable presentation instead of traditional slide by slide desk. It lets you move across one big canvas and zoom into ideas, which keep audience engaged and makes storytelling feel more lively. Prezi doesn't generate slide with AI like Tome, but it shines when your presentation is interactive and visual. So my opinion, I think the Tome is best for quick AI built presentation, while the Prezi is best for engaging animated storytelling. And that's how the two presentation tools works. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.